Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a transporter. It's a T6.1. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This particular van is a used 20 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now I'd like to walk you around the van. This particular van is fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. To the centre of the grille you'll notice two nice chrome strips. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving away from the front of the van, you will notice this van is fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with Volkswagen wheel centre covers. Moving the camera to the back of the van, you will notice this van is fitted with black mirror caps and black door handles. Stepping away from the van, you will notice that it's fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the manual sliding door so you can see the load area. As you can see, it's fitted with a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. You can also notice that the back of the van is fully wood ply lined. Now to the back of the transporter, you will notice that it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. Looking at the bumper, you will notice that it's got reverse parking sensors. Moving up, you will notice it's got standard rear lights. It's also fitted with a transporter badge and the VW emblem on the back doors. I've now opened the rear doors so you can see the rear load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. The wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. You'll also notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both rear doors are fitted with release catches, and this is the advantage of the rear catch. This transporter is painted in candy white, which is a very popular colour. Now for a quick look inside the interior cab. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Moving across to the door, you will notice some handy storage places. Moving across the dash, you will see two cup holders and some handy storage in the centre of the dash. Moving around to the back of the van, you will see that it's fitted with a bulkhead, which I mentioned earlier. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in double grid cloth. You'll also notice that the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the transporter. For my next part of the video, I would like to show you the controls and some key features on the centre media screen inside the interior cab. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice the window and mirror controls. Moving down, you will notice the headlamp controls. Moving across to the steering wheel, here we have the media controls. On this side of the steering wheel, you'll see cruise control. This particular van has covered 17,466 miles. Using the media switches, you can scroll through the menu. You can also change settings if needed on the instrument cluster. To the centre of the dash, you will notice it's fitted with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here. This van is also fitted with App Connect. This allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. When I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a parking aid for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you when you're close to a parked object. Moving down from the media screen, you will notice this van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature switch. This van is also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here we have the directional heat switch. This van is also a 5-speed, which I mentioned earlier. Now for a quick recap over the Transporter. It's a T6.1, it's a short wheelbase panel van, it's a Startline model, it's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it's also fitted with a 5-speed manual gearbox. This is a used approved vehicle. For more information on this van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. And thank you for watching.